Doing good, man. Doing good. About to start up live stream in a trading session. Home team, home team. What's going on, YouTube? A breakout situation right now. News came in. Morning, as you can see right here, softer than expected. So it's going to lead to the story of rate cuts, with inflation being softer than expected. So that's why the market literally just gapped up. ES made a new all-time high at 65. With 65. YM finally broke over its all-time high, came back in. So YM is the lagger right now. ES is the leader. NQ headed to tap its all-time highs. Did it tap? It made 24,044 high. I think the all-time high is what, 24,070. Excuse me. Yeah, so everything reached for the all-time high. So we got breakout rules in play for the day. Yeah, man, makes sense. News came in soft, so looks like it's gonna be a soft landing. So right now I'm just sitting back. YM is the lagger right now, so we'll see if price will possibly pull back as far as on NQ and ES and get out of breakout territory. If it does, and then they find demand together, then we'll probably have a situation on the YM. But as of right now, all products are both, excuse me, ES and EQ are both in breakout territory. So for us to be taking anything today, it'll have to be a pretty severe pullback or something that had to happen. So right now we're just in gap up rules, breakout rules. So overall, it's Wednesday, middle of the week. It is a green week for the desk, up about $1,000. Had $1,000 day and a break even day. So pretty much a super smooth week, super smooth. So just gonna keep the same vibes. Keep it nice and chill going into the day. Gonna let news digest. I think we got some Supreme Court news regarding Trump's tariffs coming out around 9:30. See whatever that is. It's a red dot on the calendar for some odd reason. I think the Supreme Court is on a break right now, so I don't even know. Did they removed that?
They took it off.
Yeah, they removed that. I told you that was Bupkis, bro. Yeah, they removed that. Yeah, that's crazy because the Supreme Court, I think they're on break to October, and I seen that for 9:30 today. I'm like, yeah, that's bogus. All right, cool. So they took that off. All right, so we should be good in the clear for the news. Like I said, for real, it's a good day for your long-term portfolios and shit like that. You ain't really got to do nothing on days like this, so just gonna sit back, chill for a little bit, do my process, see what the plan spits out. But overall, it's a breakout day, and I'm gonna be taking it easy. So.
Alright, I want you to go to the news section of your Top Step. They just released the PPI actual report came out. It's about 4.
It's 4 red headlines here.
Yeah, but just you see the chart. You can get that chart up.
Yeah, let's see.
Just get it up and just do it, just brief moment. So like the second paragraph, like obviously demand.
Alright, so it's pretty much information on the PPI. That's what my partner's talking about. They just dropped it right after the PPI came out, so it's a little overall consensus. The August decrease in the final demand index is attributable to a 0.2% decline in prices for final demand services. In contrast, the index for final demand goods inched up 0.1%. Prices for final demand less foods, energy, and trade services rose 0.3% in August, the 4th consecutive increase. For the 12 months ended in August, the index for final demand less food, energy, and trade services moved up to 2.8%, the largest 12-month advance since climbing 3.5% in March of 2025. Alright, so final demand services, the index for final demand services fell 0.2% in August, the largest decline since moving down 0.3% in April. The August decrease can be traced to a 1.7% drop in margins for final demand trade services. Trade indexes measures changes in margins received by wholesalers and retailers. Alright, cool. Conversely, the indexes for final demand services less trade, transportation, and warehousing, and for final demand transportation and warehousing services increased 0.3% and 0.9% respectively. Alright, cool. So this right here, the index for final demand services fell 0.2%, the largest decline since moving down 0.3% in April. This statement right here, this is why the markets are pumping. This is what's going to contribute to Powell having to cut rates at the next interest rate decision. And that's going to be on what, the 17th for the interest rate decision?
Yeah, so rate cut bets. Traders are leaning in on those bets.
Yeah, traders are leaning in on those bets. I'm actually about to let me holler at chat real quick. I can get the exact odds going up from this PPI data.
Odds of 0.25 and 0.50 cut. So just ask it what's the odds of 0.50 cut.
So a 0.25% cut or
0.25% cut or 0.5%
cut. right, perfect. So that is why our market is rallying. That softer news is gonna pretty much guarantee a rate cut in September, which is about time. So
You need eyes on 0.5%. That's what we really need.
yeah, so 94.5% odds of a 25-point basis cut right now, 0% chance of a 50-point basis cut
0%.
after the data. That's what it's saying.
Alright, cool. So
Pretty
that's
much threw the 50% out the window, but we're definitely getting that 25% basis cut.
at the highest, it's only a 5% chance.
Of a 0.5% cut.
Yeah, and that's on Reuters. A 50 BP cut.
Yeah. So we're looking at a 25 BP cut for sure now. The
Yeah,
94.5%. Yeah, so
where everything is like low percent.
that shit virtually a zero chance of a 50 BP now.
Yeah, 50 basis point cut is now that's 100% for the 25 basis point.
Mm-hmm.
Now the odds for the 50% basis point are kind of ticking up too. I mean, it's between
Yeah, because it looks
0
like
15%.
yeah, it looks like before the PPI release, it was a 100% chance of the 25% and a very low chance of the 50 point basis cut.
Yeah, and
Now it's a 94.5 chance of the 25 basis cut point and a 0% chance of the 50 BP cut. So it's pretty much solidified the 25. I mean, I knew we weren't getting no 50.
yeah,
I figured we wasn't getting a 50. I mean, I don't know. But
50 still might be on the table because they it's more.
Yeah, we do got data for these next 2 days.
Yeah, there's more data to come out.
But I think they're predicting all of it to come out softer.
So,
Yeah, so. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a real easy day for your boy.
I know this shit is.
Cause yeah, I'm actually like done right now.
Yeah,
As of right now, I'm done. I mean, even with my YM being the lagger right now, it's not over previous day high, but it's fucking, excuse me, it's damn near there.
Yeah.
It's like right there.
That's right there, and the same thing we talked about yesterday. It's like everything's breaking out, so we're definitely planning to break out.
We're in a breakout move right now, yeah.
Right now, just go through your normal plan, get your overnight high lows, and then we're just gonna, since it's looking like another trade day, we're just gonna break this off process 214.
Great.
Going through doing my Asia, London right now.
All right, so just gonna go ahead and continue with my process. It's 9:18 right now, so move this here. As you can see, I already got down my Asia London zones on all products. Pink lines for Asia. Asia low right here at 65.26, around the 828 week high. Asia high right around last week high, 65.40, around that 65.41 all-time high. And then London high is the new all-time high on the ES, 65.65. So got that in. I'm going to go ahead and translate this to my notes. Let this top step play for a second. Here, guys.
Yeah, I hit all the zingers today.
Hey, I see Slip Kid here. Back, back. Back, back.
All right, home team. Got market open going on right now. Got my chart set up here, my execution chart. Got my 4-hour chart here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this high. We'll go through the products and mark this high on my execution chart and start building up a little story here. This is a great day because it's a breakout day, so I can literally just focus on doing my process. Gotta worry about taking no trades or nothing.
YM's gonna look so good. It's crazy.
YM pull back. YM,
Pull back
that lagger
hard,
pulling back hard.
Pull back hard.
Alright, yeah, that's what I want to see.
Yeah, mark out this high.
Yeah, go ahead and mark out your highs on your 4 hours. They shouldn't get tapped. They shouldn't get retapped. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this is ridiculous.
It's gonna do it so fast though. It's gonna do it. It's gonna be shit. It's just nice to see.
Yeah, it's nice to see. Look at that. Oh
I'm going
gosh.
through it. I'm putting all my lines on.
Nah, it's still this candle gonna close red. On YM, Monday high zone on YM is woof. If we can get that.
It's a fucking solid. You guys posting her week. And fucking NQ been posting her everything she saw. So I just make sure you do all this shit. Nothing's gonna happen.
Yeah, even like I said when we sparked up the video, it's like for real, we looking for a heavy pullback. She got to pull back in the ranges, and then we might have some. And that's kind of what's happening right now. All right, so spread for these products is going to be pretty darn high. It's going to say sell. The top. That's perfect. I missed this step yesterday, so I just want to make sure I'm going through and doing this step.
It was nice to get this step. The step was missed yesterday.
Yeah, and it made us just miss a good ROI trade.
Yeah.
Didn't put us in a bad situation, but just we missed the short on NQ, which played a 3-1 while we got broken even.
Yep.
And that's we're not here just to trade, we're here to make money. So that's something that you learn from, so you can make the money off of it. Look at that YM candle just flip red, mud. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. Five, 8, 12. This thing been our lagger since last night. Showing up. Last week high, we got Thursday high, 45, 7, 18. It's not personal, it's business. I need every dollar. $45, $5.90. Just going through and getting my golden daily zones on my 4-hour execution chart. And we just by 10 o'clock we just know everything that's going on, Captain. Alright, YM chart. YM 4, I got all the zones. Where ES end up? ES ain't nothing. Dang. It's not personal, it's business. I need every dollar. ES just went to that 41 level already and bounced. ES is leading like a champ, mud. Like, wow.
This shit right here from after fast, you know.
Wow. Like, wow. That's pretty wild, bro.
That's just cool because I mean, this mode, you know, like it's just so clean, bro. It's like yes, leading, right, like, you know, you know, one, like, you know, you got a logic for the ROI, got one option, bro, got one option. So you gotta get the spread. So the low is 45, 657, and the high, fucking 45, 854. 44, that's almost 200 points. Spread on line one. Nasty.
Nasty.
This is lowers and nasty. So it's a little pace. It's gonna be pace. Breaking phase on the previous day. High. And then kind of getting the starts from the south turn around. That's gonna be really what happens. But this is not a possibility.
Yeah, it's kind of possible.
Yes, is what. Yes, is
Yeah, the ES going. I mean, the ES, and it can pull back because it really already did what kind of need to do, made that new high. Anybody that's getting in up here, it's nothing else to do but get wrecked. Nothing else to do but get wrecked up here.
Yeah, we just take it from the previous high. Last week got that back to
Current high made 60.
That's a spread.
Yeah, that's a spread. Yeah, yeah, and that's probably what the.
This last week high on was stop. Last week high on was stop under Tuesday high.
Yeah.
You probably didn't get it. Stop. Last week high on was stop under Tuesday high.
Stop under Tuesday high. I mean, even the SL4 on this is gonna spit out a Tuesday high long. This stays right here. Yeah, we can start getting that done. Especially on days like this when it's a nice little extended candle. Like, yeah, that high most likely not going to get taken out. You know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and get that. All right, that's the spread 4 hour. Then go ahead and get your key zones that's involved. And then see if it's going to make a new low. If it don't, then we got the low right here. 23,963. As you can see, guys, just get my execution chart set up, and it's all literally based off my roadmap that I created last night with all my key zones. So it's real easy, smooth work. Do your homework, makes your work day easy, man. Last week high right under Tuesday high at 23.9. Okay. And last level Monday high at 23.887. Yeah, NQ is just in a cluster of demand. Cluster of levels it just surpassed. Yeah, so NQ candle stays like this. Last week high long, 23.9 long right here, and Tuesday high and last week high long right here on Nasdaq. Well, I am my favorite. NQ's Anchi. NQ's Anchi. On the NQ, right? Yeah. It passed them levels. It's standing on business. Yeah, it's standing on. Yeah, it's standing on business. The YM is doing it to me.
Yeah, we ain't got nothing to do. Yeah, some very process. Yeah, we can take shit like this. In less than 20 minutes, the whole mic gets it. Might get it. But with a light in there, get it. It's all gonna come down to
Yeah, this shit.
it's all gonna come down to the yes and the NQ. Breaking back on the previous last week high and then Tuesday.
Nah, I doubt they gonna do that.
Most likely. Might not happen though.
Yeah, they ain't gonna do that.
It might
What's
not
gonna happen is YM will get caught at Monday high, while NQ gets caught at last week high, and ES gets caught at the previous all time high. Yeah, that's 40 to 60, 23.9 to the new high. That's the trade. And Monday high right here on YM up to the new high. That's the trade, but yeah. Yeah, just with the new rule, we just made this rule yesterday. So as much as I don't want to, I gotta follow it. Got to follow it, which I already knew when I woke up this morning. So none the wiser to me. In the Discord live, I need to pin the Discord in the chat. Can you pin it for me? Pin the Discord link in the chat for me, man. All right, we're gonna let Top Step X do their thing real quick, man. Let them boys talk, stretch my legs. Yeah, breakout rules today. We'll be here until I'm gone.
This might be like a setup where I would just start to put in offers at like low 900s, high 800s, and just kind of let them hopefully get filled and start to build a
Offers.
position.
Offers or
Yeah.
bids?
Bids. Sorry, bids.
Okay, gotcha. All good. Yeah, we did get down in this 5-minute candle. Did bottom out at get back here around 31s, 23,931. Call it 932. In the ES, bottomed out 65.43. We're about 8 points, 9 points higher off of that. Here in the first 5 minutes of trading on Top Step TV. 4,000 people watching us all across the globe right now. Many more watching us on the X Live. That being said, top of the chat right now, we got Top Step Daily Levels. Those are updated, refresh before every New York Open. Give that link a click. Have a little real estate on the screen for those. If you don't, hell, even better, make it more efficient. Click on that indicators tab, top and Top Step X. Type in Top Step Daily Levels. Have those overlaid right there on your charts on the Top Step X. Also, upper left-hand corner of the screen, hashtag Fast Markets, hashtag Power Hour.
Get all those
Submit
hashtags
goes to at Top Step X. Yesterday, Andrew, we'll turn those around to you in Power Hour. Actually, Andrew gave those submissions, the content, a 4 out of 5. Let's see if we can do better today.
I think we'll get back to 24,000 here soon. Big round number. A lot of times I'll see this
Someone's
market
in.
hover and chop around back and forth those big round numbers like 24,000.
Yeah, I got long 3 micros at 971.
Okay.
Just gonna bleed back to 24,000 on this trade. If we do
Alright.
go break the current session low, I'll probably just wait for a sweep of 900 and then try to look for another entry long.
Very good. Long 3 micro NASDAQ 23,971. 971. 3 Lions says there's some big size up at 24,000 even. Look at the level 2 data here on Top Step X. We'll see if we can confirm that. But good eye. We're all in the CR looking for those size orders. Definitely can do that with level 2 data on Top Step X. See if we can get another push here. ES trying to stay stronger than the NASDAQ right now. Dow catching a pop. 50-50 on the tilt for now. I suppose 70% long in gold. Was that the pullback?
Well, we'll see. We
Okay,
can
I'm
always go
joining you along.
back.
I'm joining you along now. 5 micros. 5 micros.
What price you get?
I got 59. Instantly got a tape bomb against me. Let's see if we can recover.
See if we can hold this. We did get down here overnight view up. We did see some buyers step in. The beauty of micros, taking a little bit more heat. Why not those stops? ES staying strong right here, 65.50. So do try to take it lower in the ES, and they're going to push it up in the 51. See if the NASDAQ wants to take a look at his buddy ES and say, hey, I see what you're doing. We're going to go higher because got number 29 on the big board at Braden Long and Dakota Long as well.
Could we be too bullish today?
We could be. I have the PPI pack. We can go into this right now. If the markets start moving, this would be really quick. Breakdown of PPI.
Let's do it.
Fell back down to levels seen earlier this year on softer medical care costs. That's sort of like the headline. But let's get down to it in the second here. 2 things to keep in mind with this number is, one, they revised down the really hot one from last time from 3.7 to 3.4. So the estimates and stuff were probably a little bit high for this. But here's the thing from it. The goods inflation is still there. It's the services, and 2/3 of PPI is services. That's like transportation, wholesale, and retail.
Sure.
So if you look right now at Costco or Walmart, you'll notice they're down when the market's up. Why? We go to the next slide here. The biggest component of this, big disinflation in final demand for trade services. So that's like retail and things like that. So that suggests that in this month, for whatever reason, the companies really ate it on the margins. So that's why I think this is still a good number, but it's a little bit, the headline is a little misleading on what exactly is happening under the hood. So there's my PPI spiel.
Good stuff, Jack. The devil's in the details, man. Good stuff.
I like it.
You back in, Braden, or did you get stopped?
Yeah, I'm trying to kind of build a position into the 920s. But yeah, I originally did get stopped out, and I'm trying to re-enter as we're kind of breaking session lows and then immediately reclaiming 940s. We're going to have a VWAP test here. So yeah, I'm back in long. 3 micros at 935.
935. Very good. Dakota's still long from 959.
59. Yep, 59. I'm looking for 24,000 to come back into play, but we'll see. Micros, small size, buy the dip.
Good morning to Flyer Jim. Good morning, Flyer Jim. Nice open, nice 200 up $250 on micro gold already. Well done, Flyer Jim. Good to see you.
Broadcom is just taken out of a rocket. Broadcom's almost up 7%. It's part of the NASDAQ.
Yeah, so like the NASDAQ, the other thing is, not a lot of retailers in the NASDAQ. The Oracle numbers that blew out are really going to help that whole AI trade. So we see NVIDIA, all the stocks that Dakota mentioned at the beginning.
What else did it make? You said 80 billion yesterday?
More than 80 billion, I think.
Good gosh.
Yeah.
That's so much money. Oh, what do you even do with that? Okay. All right.
I keep getting taken out. I'm playing it very, very tight. We'll just kind of wait now. So I'm down 307 on the session so far.
All right. It's the beauty of micros right there. Are you still looking to perhaps get long? I know you're cutting your losses early, which is awesome to do. and perhaps looking to get a better price, Braden? Is that kind of the thought process here?
I am. I wanted to see a stronger bounce kind of as
Sure.
we took the lows, and we still might get it, and it might just have been as simple as I played it too tight, but we'll see, because now we're under VWAP, kind of breaking into some of these overnight lows. Not overnight lows, but some of the structure in the overnight session. So I'm just going to be patient now. But yeah, I was trying to catch like a quick snapback through that 970 that we tested, and then maybe back to 24. That's still the idea.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm just playing it very tight, trying to build a position. And if it does start moving back up and start to look good, I'll probably scale into that position and end up on the heavier side of 10 or 15 micros.
Okay, I was just going to ask. You build it, you start with 3 micros, then ideally add to the winner, and you build it to 15 micros is the idea here?
Yeah, it's the idea with this trade. Not everyone's like that, but I'm trying. I mean, this isn't really like a premium dip, but this to me just feels like a market that as soon as we find buyers off this low, it's going to be an immediate test of all-time highs. So like I'm trying to get in there early, but not too early, and keep my risk tight. And so, but yeah, I mean, if that's the move back to 24, I'll be wanting to size into that move.
Very good. All right, well, Nasdaq continues to see some sell pressure here. 23,923.
Yeah, we are.
Is there a
Yes.
statistic on the opening? I mean, this year alone, whenever the market's opened at the all-time high price, it almost seems like we've had at least 100 points, I guess, profit taking or sell off out of the open every time we've opened at the all-time highs. It just never, you know what I mean?
Yo. Alright, guys, just tapping in, man. As you can see, market is definitely speaking to us right now. We got the ES and NQ still over yesterday highs, correct?
Yes. Yeah, NQ just actually folded back under yesterday's high.
For real?
It's right on it. It's right on yesterday's high. NQ.
ES ain't giving it.
ES
ES
is
ain't-
the one that you gotta watch.
ES is not having it. ES is like,
Structure rise. I mean, you can watch the 15 on the ES and see it is headed.
but
that
it's
way.
it's what, like still 10 points away from yesterday's high.
Yeah.
So it can pull down to 36. NQ can get a little bit under yesterday's high. We can go lower YM, and ES is still be in a breakout situation,
Yeah.
which it happens where we can't touch now.
Technically better. Very much better.
Alright.
Technically better. For real, but I mean, yeah, I can't do it.
Yeah, I mean we said we did it yesterday. We can practice it today. We can put on a practice as far as and try it.
But I think I think even that would just exhaust energy towards like something that's not our strategy. You feel me? Since there's no breakouts, it's like we can just do.
And that's what we decided
That's
on
what we
yesterday.
decided yesterday. So instead of us rehashing,
Fighting it.
beforehand, it's
Yeah.
like,
I'm not
it's
rehashing that. I'm
easily-
not rehashing that
the
shit.
market,
again.
the market is continuous. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It turns off for us. So it's not uncanny that you make a rule and then the next
Exactly.
day you gotta follow it.
Yeah.
The market does never. It never.
especially
stops.
in the market conditions that we are in. We're in
Yeah.
new all-time high conditions.
Yeah.
Every day, one of these equities, if not all of them, are making a new all-time high. You got Daisy in the building.
Just barging in.
Just barging in, man. Boss of the house. Daisy's the new cat, guys. Alright, yeah, so I do see NQ going to that last week high zone. Just went right to it. Yeah, so we sit back. It's still early. It ain't even 10 o'clock yet, so it is possible that we get a location when everything goes back under yesterday's high and we get a location. I ain't gonna lie, that is very possible right now.
It's possible.
Very possible. Look at the YM, boy. YM is just sold it and told it. I mean, we done made the new highs today, so honestly, gang, it really should just pull back today, mud. Like, to be honest, you feel me? Like, NQ finally made its all-time high, you know? the whole move that we said it. Once the NQ reaches that 2470 zone, and the whole move is over because the NQ was the lagger, so we was just getting pushed up by trying to hit that all-time high. Now it's hit it, and it made a lower high on it.
Yeah.
It made a lower high on it.
Fucking pull back crazy.
It really could like smack. Like everybody
It's
came
like,
in.
Literally, but you see, bro, we just waiting for pullback lines. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, sit here and wait for pullback lines. Like, yeah, you. Be
Like, I got
wrestling
2 hours to do
figure out
that.
how to I got 2 hours to wait for it to just pull back in line. You feel me?
All right, double check your execution candles. As you can see, it looks like the SL. Looks like just it's the same thing, but this candle's gonna close red, so this candle's gonna close red, so the spread is gonna be the buy. The SL is gonna be the sell. It's just that simple. That's why that was good. Go ahead, cause we need this information. Like yesterday, I'm trying to do all 3 of these at 10 and
Nah, it's not
ran
that
out of time, bro. Like wow.
We got enough time to do everything.
Like for real, bro. I'm up at 5 a.m. I'm running out of time.
Yeah, I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. I just gotta stop.
Something ain't right.
I
Yeah.
gotta stop doing. I gotta completely just hold.
Just halt and get it done. Am I too close to the camera? I be getting close when I'm executing. I gotta get right up on it. Man, it's such a good signal though. I mean, no breakouts, but like you're talking about Nasdaq's giving an SL4 right off of last week's high. like,
Talking about it's perfect.
Like-
The situation is perfect right now.
Like-
you got like almost a 300-point spread on the camera.
that's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm saying, bro.
I believe
Feel me? Like for real, we said that rule yesterday. So honestly, all we can do is practice it because it's gonna be 2 options with that breakout rule. Either if it's broken out, nothing, or we doing breakout trades, buy on buy, sells on sells. You feel me?
Yeah.
So we decided yesterday what we gonna do. So today we can practice it and see if you feel me, because you know what I'm saying. I feel passionate about both. Breakout days make it hard, and a buy on a buy, sell on a sell trade is a no trade. So it's the same type of thing.
Yeah, even with me,
You feel what I'm saying?
Me bust, for real. They just don't, I'm not even gonna think about it that much, bro. Like literally, it's Wednesday, midweek review. Like, bro, we said yesterday, we talked about this shit for 8 hours, bro. That's all we talked about yesterday. I'm not even practicing. It's cooked, bro. You know, like NQ and ES over previous day highs, no trade. Done. So literally, it's one of those days like TJR, like 10:05, and wrap this shit up. Not even gonna lie. For real, bro. That we don't do that, then we just gonna be doing too much. You feel me? Like we gonna be doing too much. Like literally, no, bro. 2 fucking situations that meet the guidelines. That's all we're looking for. So we can sit here and watch for a pullback long and be stiff enough. This is the stiff criteria of the day. Is everything pull back under previous day high and find lower demand, and then we can take the trade.
Exactly.
That's it.
Right.
That's the only the no shows the opportunity.
And that's the only opportunity.
We don't have to look at our nose and be like, damn, working on wiggling my
Yeah,
legs.
working
Like,
out break
nah,
my
it's
fucking
no,
rules.
and energy does not die. So a no is a yes
Somewhere
somewhere.
else.
Yes is
Another
wait
opportunity
for the
somewhere
pullback
else.
long. Wait for it. If it don't come, nigga, we still up a kick for the week, and then bro, our day will come when a breakout's not on the table. If not this week, it's gonna be next week, it's gonna be next week. You feel me? So like
No, yeah, I
that's the situation that pays the most over time. So I don't even want to try to figure out how to trade this breakout. Like, I don't want to. It's no point. The fact that we're right here at 10 o'clock and everything is done. Everything done. But, like that's our process. You get an 8 a day right now because you did everything. You know what I mean? For real trade, you call out your trade right now. You won't be taking it, but the signal of the day is gonna be YM 45 6 24 months.
Alright. Yes, SL4 off of Tuesday high. Nice. Breakout trade. Ass, but nice. Alright. NQ. Just going through my execution candles here. NQ. SL4 off of last week high. Beautiful. In a breakout zone. with a nice signal. Wow. MIM. Green candle close right off the spread for our. Wow, that shit is nice.
It's nice, bro.
That's nice, man. That is nice, bro. Wow. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. 694, 500, 100 point right there. 100 point right there. All right, cool. Yeah, so signal trade spread 4 hour. What? 45, 625 YM.
Yeah.
And the key level right under it is 45, 590. So you need your stop under 590. It's a 100 point play. 100 point play. Yeah, like. Alright, yeah, I'm about to wrap up. So I'm gonna make a mistake. Gotta be on something else. Your phone or something. Your phone or something, man.
Order filled.
Cool. Ugh. That's why you gotta see. So that, like 100 points on YM right here, boss. Barely a 1-to-1 at the fucking high. You feel me?
Order filled.
That's what you gotta see. Even for me right now, it's like when I'm coming YM, it's all practice, guys. We on breakout, so. But when I'm coming YM, it's how I'm coming YM for now.
Order filled.
2. You feel me? Now I'll put the 5, 600 to 500 risk. I have to put it under this level. Even right there, 670. It's a little bit too expensive. But you'll make 1,300 at the. Now you'll make 1,520 at the high. You feel me? 1,520 at the high. You make 1,000 at yesterday's high. You know what I'm saying? So that's the combo for the YM. Still a little bit too expensive right here, but between 550 to 650, 2 contracts. Stop under the level right here. It'll be a stop under the London level, correct?
Yeah, stop under the London level.
That's what you have to
Stop
do.
under the London level, and then you took 50, you took 13 at previous day high, and then 2,000 at the fucking high.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good.
That's very good. So
Order
that's
filled.
coming with the YM. 2 Ys.
And it's still a little expensive.
It's a little expensive right now. Yeah, so you would have to literally get it where it's at right now. Like, wait for that pull. It's going to be very acute entries when we do that.
Order
You
filled.
get it right here. Yeah, 15 showed it, so you'll just be waiting for a good entry. And that's a good entry right there. Get in on this pullback, you risk 530 with 2 cons and make fucking, you'll make 1,300 at the highs. Yeah, see, that's like A plus beautiful trade, right? Well, not A plus to the breakout situation, but that's a beautiful situation right there. That's a beautiful situation right there. And this is like not to double back on what we talked about yesterday, but this is the lethalness of this signal that I'm talking about. Like, this trade might not work because of the breakout shit, but the probability of it working just off of that setup.
Yeah, but that setup is
That setup is
very
crazy.
high. So, like, main thing,
That setup is
only
crazy.
thing, the setup on that shit is so good. That's why you need something to tell you when not to.
When not to take it,
You need
yeah.
something to tell you
Because that's the
not
thing
to take
that's the note that we got yesterday. For real, it you want to be out of situations that's gonna take probability off of your A plus setup.
Exactly.
Cause this your A plus setup, you'll put $700 on this.
I put it on there.
If things weren't breaking out, if it wasn't a reason that was lessening probability on the trade.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta have. That's what makes this a B setup.
Yeah.
We're not taking
literally.
Bs
That's what
right
makes it a B.
That's
We're
it.
not-
That's
We're
simple.
not taking no Bs.
I can't take no Bs right now.
Yeah.
You feel me? So that's simple.
Simple.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and it's lovely. Like literally,
It's a-
I'm about to lock up.
It's a beautiful trade. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, everything's still over the highs, correct?
Yeah, everything's still
It's
over the high.
10:05. Just wait a little bit. We ain't pressed right now. Just wait a little bit. Because if shit does really drastically pull back by 10:45, you're gonna want to be a part of
But the
that.
thing is, I just like by 10:30 for sure, I will be locked up. I'm not gonna wait around all day for a pullback. We gotta save it. The opportunity that's not ours,
Mhm.
our wins got our name on it. You feel me?
Yeah.
And they fit under the character. So like this is about saving juice, saving juice. You feel me? Like that's why TJR I say like bro, he'll call it. You get what I mean? Just because it's like bro, I'm gonna show up here every day for the next 50, 100, as many years as I got. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn.
Look at the fucking ES.
Look at the NQ. The NQ did it beautiful.
Fuck.
The NQ touched that. The NQ did it. All of them just gave the 15 minutes.
Yeah, man.
This is our shit right here.
Alright,
Dude.
bro, I'm out, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? You can't let like literally it's happening right now and you're not gonna be able to take it.
You know, I'm not gonna be
You know
able
what I
to
mean? So
take
like
it.
that's what I'm saying.
Alright, we out.
That's
Alright, guys, breakout day. I'm logging out, man, before I fuck up. Before I fuck anything up, we can watch some dudes for a little bit. I'm chilling. See what my boy Top Step them gonna take. But yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna make a mistake. I want this YM and it's not proper, so
It's not proper.
I'm out.
Proper.
I'm right here. I'm gonna take a break.
A lot choppier. A lot more choppier than expected.
Very choppy.
Yeah. Come on. Push this thing. Jack, how deep? Oracle's up 30. No, there's no way. Is Oracle up 37? No, that can't. 37. That's a lot. How deep a pullback, Jack? What do we got? Something's here on the ladder. Yeah, there we go.
I mean,
600 lot up.
Oracle is up 38%.
Is that true? I
Is
read
it?
that.
It kept going.
I had to wait. I had to clear out my eyes there. Was that true? Damn. Through what? Goodness.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
it might get to a
is.
trillion. Will it get to a trillion? Can it get to a trillion?
38%.
Let's see what we're at.
We're at
933 billion in market cap at the moment.
Larry Ellison, have a day.
How much did you say?
933. So probably
Yeah.
need another, 5%, 6% to get in the area.
Again, we got that 600 lot up at 23,949. 23 points higher from right now. Small number in 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Yes, right back to 65.55 since the bell rang in opening bell in New York. Seen the low of 65.43, high of 65.55. So about a 12-point range in the ES. Nasdaq much wider, much bigger, about a 100-point range or so. 600 lots still chilling up there.
I mean, lots of chop right here.
I'm still getting over that 38%.
Yeah. Company's been around a long time.
Yes, it has.
When I
That's
seen that
38.
headline,
When
it was
do,
like the CEO and everyone was like shocked. I'm like, shocked over what? And then I seen the projections. I'm like, okay, that's insane.
shocking. Yeah, that's hell of a number. Hell of a number. All right, wholesale inventory is expected 0.2% will be in line. Pretty much 0.1%. Keep that thing moving now. Next number, bottom of the hour. EIA crude oil inventory is expected 1.4 million barrel drawdown.
Oh, here we go.
Right now.
I'm not going to say anything. Last time I said something, it actually came in line.
I know. It was incredible. We're telling that story on Power Hour yesterday. That's all
Guys,
told me about.
Larry Ellison is now added 105 billion
My
in wealth
man.
today, becoming the world's richest man.
No kidding.
Yeah. Overtook
38%.
Musk on this number. It's not often you get a company that size going up 40% in a day.
There's a lot of shares.
That'll
out there.
do it.
There's a lot else. Here we go. 600 lot incoming in the NASDAQ.
There we go, buyers.
And pulled. Well done. ES. All right. ES coming to the top of this range, 65.56.
BTFD.
I know they
BTFD Hogue.
How many
But the
times
question
do you
is
have
where
it?
and when and how much,
Yeah.
That's it.
because
That's it, right?
it's a very blanket statement, and I say it all the time. It's easier said than done. It's easier on hindsight, but when you're in the moment, it's very difficult.
Oh well, yeah, it's Nasdaq just reluctant. What's that
need to get through
Nasdaq
these
Delta
50s.
Hogan? It was minus 3,800 about. Oh, I asked you about 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago. What's it at now? The Nasdaq Delta.
Still minus 3,500 right now.
Yeah, they're trying to hold it right here. Review up 23,940. Negative delta, yes. What does that mean? It means there are aggressive sellers coming in, just hitting the bid. And they're going straight to market with it. And that's why you're seeing the NASDAQ
New highs,
lagging behind
yes.
the ES. Yeah.
Session highs.
Session highs, yes. 65.56.
We need to get
You
these
guys-
550
50s.
SPX right now.
Yeah.
This could be where the rock fight is.
1,000 lot up at 23,969. Got 1,000 lot up there.
We saw some size prior to the open in the S&Ps, but nothing right now. Nothing right now. It was about 1,000 at 65.54, 655 area before the open, and
Mhm.
there's no major size I'm seeing on the dome in the S&Ps right now.
Yeah, they pulled it. All right. How about that, NASDAQ? NASDAQ trying to fight the good fight. Here we go. 23,959. It struggled to stay above these prices the first 35 minutes of the New York session.
Yeah, we need to break and hold through these 50s.
Yes, trying to. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm interested to see if this just fills in that the rest of the lows of that range and it's just brutal, choppy.
Pulling teeth
But
there.
yeah, you'd want to see a hold above VWAP here, then go push for that next high at 975.
24,000, big round number. Let's go take it out.
What? All right. Was it 1, 2, 3? This would be the fifth time. Would be the charm if it was time to get long. Yes, 65.57. I get into the 60s, 65.60, even 65, 65 sets. Those are all-time highs, by the way, as well. If we get up to 65.65, it's already printed
There
off
we
that
go.
PPI, and they do it.
69, 969.
Got the options building, looking for the all-time high from the overnight in the ES.
75.
67 would be an interesting level. Like just we take out the all-time high.
All right, guys. As you can see, not a live trade, practice trade right here, but as you can see, my right hand chart. Excuse me. My right hand chart, MYM 4 hour. As you can see, what the signal spit out. We got a spread 4 hour buy at 45,625. Was able to enter at 45,673. 2 YMs, 50 points under the stop, already break even. Only reason we did not take this trade combined alive is because the rule that we made yesterday with the breakouts. When the breakouts are in play, it just lowers probability on our A+ setups, and we're only taking A+ setups as of right now. Even though this was a good trade, it's still less in probability because we had the ES at a breakout point and the NQ at a breakout point, pretty much making new all-time highs. If they pull back an inch, then pretty much it was going to shut down this entire place. So even though this worked, the signals are solid, but with the breakout rule in play and the lower probability it adds to our setups, it's only taken in practice. So this is a practice trade, but the process was A+. So with that, it's 10:15. Not going to take anything today, going to follow my rules. Price didn't pull back on the NQRES, so we up out of here, man. Gonna go ahead and protect our capital for the week. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna go ahead and protect our wins, protect our $1,000 profit, and then we'll be back tomorrow, man. See what happens, man. Excuse me. We'll be back tomorrow, man. See what happens, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and need to copy up my accounts, and then we're gonna go ahead and lock these up for the day, man. Boom, blam. Alright. Counts. No trades today. Breakout rules are in effect. And that's it, boys. I'm done for the day, man. So I catch you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, hit the Discord, man. Tap in with us, man. Road to live funding, man. It's going good. Every trade's been, the process been hidden. Super, super valid, man. So just thankful for my partner. Thankful for what we built over the summer, and it's really spitting out good. Appreciate you guys, man. Be back tomorrow, same time, same place. No trades today, flat day, good practice trades, process on A1. And besides that, guys, I will catch you tomorrow, same time, man. And we're out, boys.